Philadelphia water surfacing near the curb or basement wall? First, determine whether it is the city main or the customer's service line before authorizing excavation. Keep people away from undermined pavement, flowing water near electricity, and any sudden sinkhole. If the area is immediately dangerous, use emergency authorities. Otherwise, photograph the wet area, water path, meter, and any pressure change without opening street equipment. Turn off every fixture and water-using appliance. If the meter still changes, record the reading in time. Check visible toilets, faucets, hoses, and basement plumbing before assuming the buried line failed. Do not operate the curb stop yourself or probe beneath the sidewalk. Philadelphia Water says the department handles leaks on the public water main, while customers are responsible for the service piping from the main connection through the property. Because that boundary can be expensive, report neighborhood flooding or a suspected main break to the PWD hotline for investigation. For a private service line problem, Philadelphia says a licensed plumber must do the work. Ask the plumber to show the suspected path, leak location evidence, excavation limits, permit responsibility, and restoration plan for sidewalk or yard surfaces. Eligible owners who receive a notice of defect, or who are replacing a confirmed lead service line, may be able to use the city's zero-interest help loan. Verify current eligibility with PWD before treating financing as guaranteed. To locate a waterline service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.